Watch how I can play the melody to the James Bond theme. I start with my middle finger on D, La, and I play. Notice that I'm using my thumb a lot, but I'm also using my index finger to help me out to play those faster notes. I go back and forth between my thumb and my index finger. I then play. I play that by using my first finger on the first fret of the second string. Let's try both of those phrases together. It sounds like this. Try that with me. Ready, go. Let's try it a little slower. 1, 2, ready, go. We play that twice in a row. That whole phrase happens again. It ends with second string to the third string. Then the tricky part comes. You jump up to the fourth fret on the first string, and you come down to the third fret on the fourth string. Try that with me. 1, 2, here we go. Try it again. Ready, here we go. And then to end it, you lift everything off and play. You rock back and forth between the first and fourth string. And then if you want, you could end it with a nice D minor chord. Good luck. Have fun.